So here's the email that I got this Monday. So if you open this one, yan, makita nyo na dito yung institution code, username, password, and then this one is the copy for the COR, the good for 2 years. So hindi lang siya naka-indicate dito kung ilang years ang kanyang expiration, no? So nakalagay kung kailan siya issued date, no? But when you go back to your email, you will find it there. By the way, you can download this by the way, and then save it. And then this is the one that you can provide to your bank, no? Ni-require ng bank. So kung hindi naman ma-save siya ng ganyan, kung hindi ma-download, i-print nyo na lang siya. It's either i-print nyo directly or print as PDF file. So in this case yan, hindi siya ma-save as PDF. So yung pwede nyo rin naman siyang i-screenshot. So in my case, in-snippet ko siya. Pero again, pwede nyo siyang i-print and then print as PDF na lang. So, yan. Ginawa ko, i-snippet ko siya para na-save siya sa aking gallery. Now, here you will see here yung institution code na blur ko lang siya and also yung username and then password ko. Okay. Now, you will see yan may approval date siya and then the expiration date. By the way, this is now yung COR ko ha. This is not provisional COR. So, normally, morning sila nagpo-process. So, I got this around 8 or 8:30, I think.